how to update Wuthering Waves on your Android or iOS device. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are trying to play Wuthering Waves and you want your Wuthering Waves game run smoothly on your device, then updating it is pretty simple. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending upon your device's operating system. For your Android, open up Google Play Store, whereas for your iOS, open up the App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search bar and type in Wuthering Waves in the search box. Once the game is searched and you come to this page, go ahead and look for the update button. If you don't see the update button and it says play or open, it means you are already running the latest version of Wuthering Waves. If you see the update button, tap on it to download the latest version. Updates usually bring new features, bug fixes, and better performance, so it's always worth doing. Once the update is done, tap on the open or play button to continue getting into your adventure. So there you have it. That is how you can easily update Wuthering Waves game on your Android or iOS device, whether you are using a smartphone or a tablet or iPad. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.